Right, now next up we're going to look at the backtrack. Yeah, we're going to go to the backtrack information gathering and then from there network analysis, yeah. Once you make it to the network analysis, you want to go down to the SNMP analysis. And there we go to the SNMP check, also known as the SNMP enumerator. There you can see it's the enumerator. Now, as you can see, the usage is the SNMP check. However, if we do a listing, you could tell that it is actually SNMP check dash 1.8.pl. Very easy to use. You need to know, of course, the IP address, yeah, and the community string as well. So the way we would do it is something like dot slash SNMP check dash 1.8.pl with a minus T, which will be the target host, yeah. And here we put in the IP address of the target host, which in our case is the 85. Alright, very good. So let's go ahead and run it and see what kind of information we get for this, yeah. Yeah, the enumerator had gotten some good information here. So what we looked at in 0.27 seconds, yeah, we found a lot of information that the enumerator was able to give us. So as you could see, we have the host name, the description. We also have the system uptime, as well as the SNMP daemon. It's been 15 days already, yeah, and also the location, which is in Boise, Idaho. It tells you if there's any TCP/IP forwarding enabled, the default time to live, and so on. Any network interface, as well as the IP address and the network mask, of course, within that the interface is up, the hardware address, and all good stuff. This is very good. Again, this is the SNMP check, also known as the SNMP enumerator. So check it out, SNMP enumerator.
Hey everybody, Spoonfed here, and we're with the SNMP walk tool, which you can start off by doing this. And I'll warn you right now, this is going to generate a lot of info and it will not be readable. Alright, so there we go. Basically, we got a load of information there that is, well, we cannot really use it, but if you go up here, you'll see some stuff there. As you can see, like ID names of the network that's used. Some looks to be like some configurations. Let me see if we can go up more. There you can see the names of the configurations. There we can see all the things that are installed. So we can see what kind of things is he installed. Well, PaleMoon, for example, and apparently PeerBlock and Microsoft Security Client, so on and so on and so on. You can really check stuff out with this, but it's basically not in a readable format. Whoa, where are those long sentences? There we go. So you can see that it's VMware. Got some strings here for updates and tools, the processes that are running, and so on and so on and so on. You can also run this with 2C. We get the same kind of info. There we go. But once you move on to 3, you get a timeout because this computer doesn't talk in version 3 of SNMP yet. But that's basically it. The best thing you can do is just cat this into a file, or dump this into a file. So I'll call this SNMP walk.spoonfed.local. There we go. ls. I think I've got another one. I got 2 SNMPs. So get it. SNMP walk go. There we go. So it starts with the hardware model and the name of the machine, location, and then it moves on and on and on and on and on. As you can see, all kinds of things that don't make sense yet. So the easiest thing to do is just run snmp check, and here you can see some IP addresses that are in here, configurations, and so on and so on and so on. So that's it for, I believe we did the whole information gathering stage. We did. Holy crap. Next on is network mapping. So we did all of these tools. All of them. That's sick. I'm beginning to wonder if we did this one because I've updated, of course, this thing in the meantime, so it could be that I'm missing some tools now, but that's okay. We're done now with this whole section.
Welcome back, Hackers and Geek. It's your host Niklesh from GuruNSP. Today we're talking about the CAT Cisco auditing tool. That much I remember, we didn't make any video about the Cisco before. So I already set up my router on my backtrack. So now I'm going to configure the password in my router. So hope you know a little bit CCNA. If you don't, so read it before watching this video. Yeah, this series, enable configuration terminal mode, line VDI 04 password. We're just going to set up a normal password, not a secret password. So now our password has been set up. Now we're going to open a cat. You can open from Windows Adjustment directory, or you can manually browse the directory. So I already made the Cisco password list. Brute force for password list you can download, or you can make your own because it's demo. So I only need 6 password or 7 password for demo. So ls, you can see here's the password file. I already moved it. You can see here's the option host name for H, single host if you want to host multiple host, F for multiple host, port default 23. It's making this tool for the Cisco, so it's work on a 23. You can set your own, so I don't think you need to anytime set default port. So let's see demo. You can use any brute forcing tool for brute forcing Cisco router. Even a Hydra can work. So my IP is 172.16.10.254-A. So now you can see it's guessing a password. So now you can see it's found the password. Password is password. So this is the video about the CAT Cisco auditing tool. We're going to cover more Cisco video in future video. So see you in my next video. If you have any curiosity this video or another video, please PM me. It's really important for me.